Well, we're going to have alfresco dining in the Tamarind. That is very interesting. We made a lot of improvements on this ship that eventually the Koningsdam will have as well, but we will get that right here from sailing. The new music venue is going to be very exciting. I've never heard Rolling Stone Rock Room in operation, so that is going to be very new for us. We have a lot of different concepts. We have opened up a lot of spaces. They will very much enjoy the different variety of the ship, what the ship has to offer, the products that we have available, the different kind of entertainment. We're going to make a difference there as well. In the past we only had a cast on board and then a few cast entertainers only. We're going to have a smaller cast on board with a very specific show, but for the rest it's going to be all guest entertainers, and a lot of guest entertainers from the UK as well, so they will definitely enjoy that. We're never in the market to sit still. We like to develop further again, and I'm sure that between this ship and the third ship we're going to come up with some new ideas again and develop that further. For sure the third ship will get the enhancements that we have done here as well, and then anything else that we can come up with to enhance the product again and make it better.